Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Unsupervised Learning, Finding Hidden Patterns in Data. Imagine you have a giant box of Lego bricks. You've never seen them before, and there are no instructions. Your job? To figure out how they group together, what kinds of bricks there are, and what hidden structures exist, all without anyone telling you, this is a red 2x4 feet or this is a wheel. That's the essence of unsupervised learning. It's about letting AI explore data and find hidden patterns all by itself, without any human guidance or answers. As a developer, this means building algorithms that can make sense of chaotic, unlabeled information. In our last session, or maybe you've heard of it, we talked about supervised learning. Think of it like teaching a child with flashcards. This is a cat, this is a dog. The AI learns from labeled examples where we provide the correct answers. But with unsupervised learning, there are no labels. It's like giving a child a pile of random objects and saying, group these together in ways that make sense to you. The AI becomes an explorer, finding its own categories and insights in unlabeled data. This is crucial when you don't have existing answers for your data. At its heart, unsupervised learning tries to identify inherent structures in data. It looks for similarities and differences. If two data points, like two customers, or two products, are very similar, it tries to put them in the same family or cluster. If they're very different, it puts them in different families. As a developer, you're building the algorithm that defines similarity, e.g., how close numbers are, or how often certain words appear together, and then letting it loose on your raw data to discover these hidden groupings automatically. One of the most common jobs for unsupervised learning is clustering. Imagine you have a huge pile of M&Ms, red, blue, green, yellow, brown, without anyone telling you what color they are. You could probably sort them into separate piles just by looking at their visual similarity. Clustering algorithms, like k-means, a popular one, do this for your data. They automatically group similar data points into distinct clusters or groups. For a developer, this means you can feed in customer data, like purchase history or browsing behavior, and get out different customer segments, e.g., frequent buyers, window shoppers, without manually defining these categories up front. Sometimes, your data has too many details, hundreds or thousands of features, like columns in a massive spreadsheet describing every tiny aspect of a product. This is like having a super long, detailed report that's overwhelming and hard to read. Dimensionality reduction is an unsupervised technique that helps simplify this. It finds the most important underlying patterns and summarizes the data into fewer, more meaningful features, without losing crucial information. Think of it as creating a concise executive summary from that long report. As a developer, this helps make your data easier for other AI models, both supervised and unsupervised, to process, can speed up training, and can even help visualize complex data much more easily. PCA, Principal Component Analysis, is a common algorithm here. Unsupervised learning isn't just theory. It powers many real-world applications you interact with daily. 1. Customer segmentation, grouping your website users into distinct categories, e.g., new visitors, loyal shoppers, cart abandoners, based on their behavior, without predefining these groups. To tailor marketing. 2. Anomaly detection, finding unusual patterns, like fraudulent credit card transactions, network intrusions, or abnormal sensor readings, by identifying data points that don't fit into any normal group. 3. Recommendation systems, finding similar items or users to power You might also like features on e-commerce sites or streaming platforms. 4. Data pre-processing. Cleaning up and simplifying raw, complex data before feeding it into supervised models, making them more efficient and accurate. As a developer, these are powerful tools to build smarter, more adaptive applications. As a developer exploring AI, unsupervised learning is incredibly valuable. It equips you with the tools to explore data, understand large, complex datasets without any prior knowledge or labels, revealing surprising connections, automate discoveries. Let the AI find patterns you might never have noticed manually due to the sheer volume or complexity of data. Prepare data. Make your raw, messy data ready for more advanced supervised AI tasks by reducing noise or creating meaningful features. Build smarter features. Create more insightful user experiences and intelligent functionalities based on discovered groups or simplified data representations. It empowers you to turn raw, unstructured information into valuable, actionable insights, a key skill in any data-driven project. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.